means what?
Indebted.
Hmm?
Indebted.
Mm-hmm. And a developed body consciousness, developed. There is wandering and roaming, migratory wise, wandering. They can wander from here to your top, and here, out, all things, within and without. All these four. And through such powerful four mediums, owning and wishing to own whole universe as if own, to gulp as with one gulp, which is never possible. And yet wishing, in wishing everything is possible. God can be conceived in every way, imagined in every way. Children, Rama did ask for a moon that got reflected. And no, I want this moon, I want this. Right? That's it. Rama. But he was child Rama. No?
Yeah. Yeah.
So here, grown-up Brahmas with imagination, full imagination, abstract, thinking plane, wandering, all everywhere. In the body goes on and on. That is how that wandering takes place. Not knowing I am human being. If being a human being, one is fully aware that I am a human being, it's a great knowledge. Jayaben, what do you say? No other knowledge is required, I tell you. What do you say? I am a human being. Not that I want to differentiate myself from other living, say vegetation and creatures, etc., as superior. But I am a living human being. To know and understand myself as human being. I am human being. That's it. And I know I being as a human being, having known myself as fully as a human being, I know everybody as human being, I live everybody as human being, that's it. That's simple as that is also. As a human being, living as a human, amongst humans, as humans live amongst each other as humans, one knowing one as a human will be a correct, true human. Or no? What otherwise?
That's true.
Otherwise different. Which is the case. We know that. Which can be. Which can be. And that is what is happening at the center all the time. And from this, in this migratory state of ups and downs and rolling and roller coasting and slides, once having achieved the human form, primarily, and having got at an advanced level of human life and human culture and human inner development and belief with every way, faculty level, thinking level, every way. that whatever lessons in the life have gone, goes up and up. So soul-body relationship, nature of the soul, having acquired human body, all the time, not only in all of life forms, basically is not to get lost in this migratory process, but to get to its own nature, that is weightless. And because of being of weightless quality, it always is Urdhva Gatiman. Urdhva means floating type. Urdhva Gatiman. Whatever pressures comes on the soul of the live body, a cage, which has the tendency of dragging into the universe and world every way, in all the various forms. Out of this experience brings him up and up and up. It's a very long process, goes on and on and on. Very long process. And from all these processes, as in the human form, as and when and how the belief plane of human being gets developed and developed further and further into more subtler type of thought process and thinking process as to his real identity and inquiry towards that, quest towards that. Basically, from the level of humanity as a human being, to know one as human, from that on further up. From there process starts, progress, and that human qualities, they spring up and grow further. And from such all human qualities, the higher development planes, which are rare in nature and great guide, you see, they are developing. And they can develop only on a belief scale, where development can take place in places where such belief planes are of the order of seeking release and liberation, total liberation from all this migration. That's it only. So it happens. And such rare, they are called incarnations. They are very rare. Very rare. So in human life, you are very effortlessly in the Pacific, never to get drowned, because you are grounded in the Pacific. You understand? Unless you are grounded, you will get drowned in the ball water. Do you understand? Go. All rishis, munis, yogis are like that. So let us stop here. Now further on, let us શું કરી શકો?
બહુ ભાવના છે.
હા, એ તો કઈ આમનું છે અને ભરત આવી ગયા છે. ભરત, you have to stay here. You have not to move. Okay? You will agree?
Yep.
Okay. क्या છે આપણે great depths, which nobody can ever fathom. And for you to realize that, it has to have certain time. You need to have at least 3 hours with me, minimum. And such experiment in English for me, I have conducted in America, Germany, London, all around. with all Americans, English and all that.
Oh,
But
okay.
very few number of times.
Okay.
But my Gujarati is my best language.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm at home.
Yeah,
You understand?
absolutely.
That is there, of course. But I have done that. It's possible.
ભગવાનના અસીમ જય
પુરુષ.
જયકાર હો દાદા ભગવાનના
કે અંદર કે?
અસીમ
પછી જોઈએ
જય
હવે.
જયકાર હો દાદા ભગવાનના અસીમ જય જયકાર હો દાદા ભગવાનના અસીમ જય જયકાર હો દાદા ભગવાનના અસીમ
જય સચ્ચિદાનંદ.
જય
એ તમારી હતી, આ લઈ લો. એ તમારી પાસે રાખો. એ કાયમનું હવે ટ્રેઝર. હા? ચેક. એટલે શુદ્ધાત્માનો જ્ઞાયક સ્વભાવ. સમજાય છે ને? હા? અને જ્ઞાતા દ્રષ્ટા હોવાથી બધું તમને જ્ઞેય ને દ્રશ્ય સ્વરૂપે મનમાં વિચાર આવ્યો, મન જ્ઞેય થઈ ગયું. એ પુરુષનું થઈ ગયું. તમે શુદ્ધાત્મા. એ તો ફાઇલનું મન. બેન સમજાયું? એવી રીતે બુદ્ધિથી મુક્ત શરીરના બધા અંગોથી મુક્ત. તમે સમજાયું ને? એ પેલી વિધિ બોલશો તમને બહુ સમજાતું જશે. પણ આ બીજા રાત્રે સૂતી વખત કરશો, રોજ તમે કરશો ને થોડા દિવસો, તો તમને બહુ ઈઝી પડી જશે. કારણ કે હું જતો રહું છું અત્યારે એટલા માટે.
એટલે પેલી
તમને સહેલો રસ્તો બતાવું છું. ઈઝી
શુદ્ધ આત્માનું શુદ્ધ
રાતે સૂતી વખતે